Motherfucker's cheating.
I just verified Akron.
That motherfucker's cheating.
Motherfucker's cheating.
Is it H blocks are the ones that allow cubes to hit ceilings?
Yeah.
Okay, it's H.
Put my hand on the Bible.
Hand on the Bible, that motherfucker is cheating.
And on the Bible, more like dick on the Bible. Or is that a
Nah, at least Timor knows exactly where that's from.
Fucking jinxie.
Yes.
Here's Osmic.
I don't believe in Chase. It's fake.
I'm almost done with my part. Level.
Okay, let's eat. Wait. Oh. Interesting.
Johnny Pippinger?
I think I'm gonna work on it tonight.
Johnny Epstein.
How much?
Cause I worked on this like as I woke up, and then I had to go to a party. Now I'm back. So I don't feel like that.
Welcome back. Wait, haven't you been in this PC for like 30 minutes? What?
When?
What?
What?
What, gang?
What?
Did I say something? My bad.
Huh?
Yo, Zoink is in my fucking lobby, bro. What the hell?
Zoink.
Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na.
No, I'm not even Zoink. You're not even on right now.
I don't believe in Zoink.
Nah, I remember Zoink's mom proceeded to scream at him when he got 95 on TS2. Oh, that sucks.
Bro, that is fucking.
What is mom's?
Wait, dog, he's at 38 from 0. Hold on, let him cook.
30. Or hold up, let me.
38 from 0. He's not. That's not gonna last for very long.
He's
no,
at 45 from 0.
He passed the drop.
Yeah,
You shut
everybody
up, I'm
lock
trying
in.
to sleep.
Everybody lock in.
Wait, lock in,
Hold
lock
up.
in, lock in.
Hold on.
Hold on, I think he actually might beat it, bro. Let's watch him beat it. I hope he beats it. That would be kind of fire.
No!
Oh,
Wait, he died of that, bro. Ain't no way
What
he
did he die
died
at?
of
What did he die at? What did he die at?
Bro, I swear to God, nerves be getting to him at the wrong times, bro.
I don't have money.
What did he get?
He got 52. So he had just died in the middle of River.
I'm gonna take that SoundCloud song you sent me.
I don't think you can move where everything is.
Yo, let's go.
I don't think he has ever
Let's
died to that
go.
song that he's put record on.